Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ashish Nema and I am going to deliver you lecture on the topic Wheatstone bridge. In this bridge, we mainly used to find out the value of unknown resistance, which is a medium resistance whose value lies between 1 ohm to 1 lakh ohm. Now we can see the Wheatstone bridge. In this bridge, R1 and R2 are known resistance. Here in this bridge, R1 and R2 are known resistance. R3 is basically a variable resistor. And R4 are unknown resistance. When we applying voltage in the circuit with battery source, then current I is flowing in the circuit. This current is mainly divided in I1 and I2. Here in this circuit, galvanometer G is mainly used to measure deflection of current. Now we can measure resistance at balance condition when deflection of galvanometer is 0. Hence there is no current in galvanometer and circuit at balance condition. In this condition, the voltage at VB is equal to voltage at VD. Now we can calculate unknown resistance by KVL loop. Now we can apply KVL loop at ABD. Hence we can apply KVL loop at ABD. In this loop, we can apply our KVL loop. Hence, we get minus I1 into R1 when current is going in this side. Current of galvanometer is Ig, but the value is 0. Now we can go this side. The value of this side is I2 into R2. Voltage drop here, according to KVL, the sum of voltage and voltage drop of the circuit is 0. Hence in this condition, I1 into R1 is equal to I2 into R2. Hence we get R1 upon R2 is equal to I2 upon I1. This is our equation number 1. Now we can apply KVL loop in BCD. So we can apply KVL at loop BCD. Here the current is passing in plus minus. Now we can apply KVL loop. So then this value of this side is I2 into R4 plus Ig into 0 minus I3 into R3, I2 into R3, sorry, this is I1, is equal to 0. Hence we get I2 into R4 is equal to I1 into R3. Hence we get R3 upon R4 is equal to I2 upon I1. This is our equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, we get R1 upon R2 is equal to R3 upon R4. Now we can calculate R4 with the help of this statement. R4 is equal to R2 R3 upon R1. This is our equation number 3. Now with the help of equation number 3 we can calculate the value of unknown resistance. Hence with the help of Wheatstone bridge we always calculate the value of unknown resistance R4. If you have any problem then you can message me. I am waiting for your valuable suggestion. Thank you.